Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very sweet menu. So guys, can see the menu. The title is learn how to drink yellow garri. Here I have yellow garri here. Don't say that it's not Jebu garri, that you won't drink it. No. This is yellow garri, and here is groundnut, dry one. Here I have my ice cube. Here I have my sugar. So some people say garri is poor man food. These days garri is not a poor man food. My brother, my sisters, garri is not a poor man food now, because if you go to the market, the way garri costs now, in short, it's not a poor man food. Garri and rice, they different from market, just little. Because garri, the model of garri now is very expensive. It's not before again. So anybody that have garri at home, it's not a poor man food. So anybody can take garri, can drink, can use it and make eba and eat fufu and eat. So today I want to show you how to drink yellow garri. Learn how to drink yellow garri. Don't reject yellow garri, say it's not a Jebu garri, you will not drink it. So when you have yellow garri at home, soak it. Put your ice cube or chilled cold water. When you know say chilled cold water or ice cube go together. So when you soak it and drink. In short, your body will be cool and you enjoying it. So guys can see. So you can even take it in your lunch when you are hungry. Because when you soak it, put your peanut, and if you don't have peanut, you can even put your sugar and drink it like that. You belly food. So I'll put water. Now, this is water. Put water to soak it. After you soak it, you strain it because there are some chaff on it. Strain it. Wow. And see? Now add another water. After you add another water, you now started putting your ice cube. And see? So now add sugar. That is not a poor man food though. Add sugar. Now pour the groundnut. Food don't settle. After you sit and eat, drink this garri, your stomach is full. You will not look for food again. So even though you buy 1 cup of yellow garri, it will be enough for you. And see, simple as short. And see, wow. Wow. So don't wait to buy yellow garri, buy Jebu garri before you drink garri. So you have to learn. If you didn't master you to drink yellow garri, learn it to drink, because no different. The only different for Jebu garri, that one get sour taste. When you put it in your mouth, this to slap you small. But I prefer this yellow garri than that white garri, that Jebu garri. Because the way I soak it now, even the one I'm taking it now, I don't already enjoy the the garri already. Wow. So if you are drinking it when the water dry, you add more water, add more sugar. You add more sugar, add more cream, so that the thing will be chilled for you. They're very chill for you to drink, so that you enjoy it, especially when you enter hot sun. Soak this kind garri with chilled water or cube, ice cube. In short, all the sun that beat your head to disappear and your body will become cold. Allah. I really like this yellow garri. So I advise you guys to try it and see. Learn it. When you drink it, you understand the thing better. So this is all for yellow garri and groundnut. Learn how to drink yellow garri with groundnut. If you don't have groundnut, drink it like that. Add sugar. At least you will buy sugar with the garri. Drink it like that. You enjoy it, and you see the difference. Your body will be cold, and you love yourself, especially when hot sun day. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, thumbs up the video and subscribe, comment for it, share it to your loved one. We meet again my next video. I love you all. Bye.